PV series DC connector. Designed specifically for DC wiring of photovoltaic power generation systems. Rated voltage 1500 volts. Rated current 35A. Protection level up to IP60. The pin adopts advanced stamping process. Compared with traditional manufacturing methods, material loss and production costs are significantly reduced. Suitable for rigid conductors. Cross-sectional area 4 mm - 6 mm. Original 3-step quick wiring. The fastest single wiring operation takes only 9 seconds. Significantly reduce labor intensity and installation time costs. Support lossless wire withdrawal and repeated wiring. Greatly improves the convenience of construction commissioning and later maintenance. Perfectly adapt to balcony photovoltaic systems, rooftop distributed power stations, and other photovoltaic application scenarios. Provide efficient, stable and economical electrical connection solutions for the photovoltaic industry.